slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? iReview Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a quick little look at these Heineken Nike Dunk SB lows from Peak Sneaker. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, make sure to show your boy some love, subscribe, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications by smacking that bell, and last but not least, follow me on Instagram at iReviewStuffTV. So yeah man, let's just get into it. These shoes took about 2 weeks to get here, I want to say, about that. And just before I get into the nitty gritty, I don't condone buying UA or rep products. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine. Like I always say, I'm just showing y'all what you would get if you spent your hard-earned cash on this stuff like I did. So I digress. Pretty sure that's it. Box came double box, no bubble wrap, but box is in good condition, so it's nice to see. And yeah man, without further ado, let's just get into it. This is the website information, so peaksneaker.ru. Instagram is at peaksneakerofficial. Email is peaksneakerofficial@gmail.com. And then WhatsApp is right there as well for y'all. So all this minus the website link will be in the description, so have at it there. And yeah, so put the shoes to the side. This is the box it comes in. I don't know if this is accurate. Never had a pair of these in hand in my life. Friend wanted a pair, so grabbed them it. But yeah, pretty dope little box, little dunk box. This is what the tag looks like. Nike Dunk Low Pro SE, classic green. These are 9.5, and yeah. Actually, I see a error right now in the spelling. Nike skatebobding.com. So quick little error, not pretty hard to catch honestly if you don't know what you're looking for. So yeah, just a little spelling error on the box, no biggie. Inside the box looks like this. Get this paper in there. You get this little StockX sheet. I didn't see a sticker inside the box, like a little StockX sticker, so yeah, I don't really care honestly. But here are the shoes themselves. So you got the right shoe. So just to let y'all know, the suede at the top of the shoe does match more with the midsole off camera than it does on camera. There's not as much of a difference. I was noticing that in pictures too, like it didn't really match as much, but in person definitely matches for sure. So dope little colorway though, definitely a dope shoe. You got the black suede swoosh right here, or nubuck, whatever it is. The leather is really plush and soft on these. I love it. Not like it matters to me because they're not my shoe, but still super nice. Suede is actually really good quality too, rubbing back and forth on that. Super dope. You can see a transition. So yeah man, black swoosh. Rest of the shoe is white and green. So got the white outsole right there, green midsole, and then just the upper is white and green as well. You do have a set of green laces that come extra, and then you do also have the red laces on the shoes, little red accent right here. The only real Heineken thing on here is that little star embroidered on there, a little Heineken star. Back of the shoe, you see there. So it's a different color suede used up on the top, where a pull tab usually would be, as opposed to the suede all over the shoe. So there's the other side. So yeah man, generally the shoe looks pretty good. I'm not an expert on the shoe by any means, so you know, take everything I say with a grain of salt. You guys do your own research if you're a big fan of the shoe. Here you got the Zoom Air insole, got the Nike branding behind the tongue. Should be a size tag somewhere. Oh yeah, it is. It's just here. It's kind of tough to see, but yeah, a little size tag right there. Nike at the top, like I said. Stitching is actually super straight. It's nice to see. So good quality. But yeah, man, toe box. Like I said, leather, you can just see me pressing into it. Super good quality leather. Love seeing that, really buttery. So, dope. But yeah, man, that's pretty much the shoe. That's the right shoe. Here is the left. Just so y'all can see, it has a StockX tag on the left one. So, little paint discrepancies here and there on the midsole. Got that little star again. iPhone 12 Pro camera is super dope, actually. Much better than my iPhone X, honestly. I'm noticing the difference. Even just focusing like super close and stuff. Proper. I like that. So, insole, Zoom Air, same thing. All throughout the shoe. Oh, drop the shoe. It's no good. But yeah, man, pretty simple. I'm not gonna make this video too much longer. You guys already know what's up. Same quality leather. Bottom of the shoe, nice and white. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of the day. Like I always say, been a super long day for me. Some annoying shit happened after work with my car, so you know, just trying to get to bed and start my day fresh tomorrow, end the work week off. Second last day of the work week, obviously. So, well, not obviously, but yeah, man, a little real life there. If you're new to the channel though, and you do like what you see, show some love to your boy. For those of y'all still rocking with me, appreciate y'all. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Shout out to Peak Sneaker. I think this is my second pair of shoes that I caught from him. Dope quality thus far. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let y'all go. Stay tuned for more videos, of course, and catch y'all on the next one.